Good morning, students. Now we have to discuss about the internal test question answer key for set A, 2 marks. The first question is transform the Cartesian coordinates x equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to 3 into spherical coordinates. Here we have to convert the Cartesian system into spherical. So for that the formula for r theta pi is given as r is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Theta is equal to cos inverse of z by r. Pi is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Substitute all the values and determine your r theta pi. So thus we have converted your Cartesian system into spherical. Next one, Coulomb's law. So here to get the statement of Coulomb's law, first we have to remember the electric force equation as per Coulomb's law, that is F is equal to Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R square AR. So from this we can get the statement as the electric force is directly proportional to product of two charges, that is Q1 and Q2, and inversely proportional to the square of distance between two charges, that is R. And the next one, it is acted along the line joining the two charges, that is AR. Right? So next we have to go with the definition for divergence. So here already we know that the divergence is nothing but del dot F, that is differential vector dot product with your vector. So your divergence, from the name itself, divergence means it is an outward flux, right? So the outward flux per unit volume when the volume shrinks to 0 is given as divergence. Simply we said divergence is nothing but the outward flow of flux per unit volume as the volume shrinks to 0, and we have to write the equation for divergence also. And next one, define curl. Curl is nothing but it represents your rotation of a vector. So here the rotation or the net circulation of vector per unit volume as the area shrinks to 0 is given as curl, right? So that is the statement of curl, and you have to write the same as a equation here, right? That is curl A is del cross A, that is cross product of your vector. So next, what are the types of coordinate system? So here the types of coordinate systems are Cartesian coordinate system, cylindrical and spherical coordinate system. You have to write the variables for each. So for Cartesian system the variables are x, y, z. For cylindrical it is rho pi z, and for spherical it is r theta pi. So the next one is statement of Gauss law. So Gauss law is simply you have to remember psi is equal to q, that is the electric flux is equal to q in any closed surface, that is the electric flux passing through any closed surface is equal to total charge enclosed. So next we have to prove a vector is given. For that vector you have to prove that it is a solenoidal. So for solenoidal vector del dot A should be 0. So take a dot product with differential vector and that should give the value as 0. For the given sum you have to apply the dot product and it is got as 0. So it is proved, right? Thank you.